we're here on the Hasuda job where a water pipe burst. We've now got the containment set up and air movers, DQ down here. There was some white mold as well, and we also sprayed the microbial spray. I think that's how you pronounce it.
That's actually not how you pronounce it. It is microbial. So I just wanted to make that clear.
So that we can kill the mold down here. And I'll make sure to add the photos of that as well. So yeah, this is what it's looking like right now. You can see some of that mold right there. Growing right there, down there. This is where the damage happened, right in here. And I'll put some of the original photos so you guys can see that as well. We're getting this job going along, taking care of this family the best that we can. And any crawl space needs that you have, call Restorations Pro. We do encapsulation, we do water damage, restoration and remediation. All sorts of things. So in your time of need, give us a call. We give free estimates as well. So hope you all have a great day.